Right, so this is by far the easiest way I found to use MetaTrader on a Mac, and it uses Crossover, which is an emulation layer. It doesn't even have to install Windows. It can just translate Windows applications to work on a Mac. So once you've installed it, dragged it to your applications folder, just search for MetaTrader, and you'll see there's two versions available, MetaTrader 4 and 5. Now, the useful thing is it will tell you whether an application will run or not in Crossover. MetaTrader 4 won't work, so you have to go with MetaTrader 5. And it tells you that it runs well, which I can confirm it does. I've already installed it, so I'll go here. You don't have to configure any of these settings here. You can leave them. Then you just simply double click on the app. The actual installation of it takes probably less than a minute, and there you go. It opens up just as if you were using the Windows version. You've got your trade, exposure, history, news, mailbox, calendar, company, alerts, articles, code base, experts and journal. You can buy and sell. You can connect to your preferred broker, of course. And you can also get more information on the currencies that you want to trade, and buy to market, sell by market. And it's a very easy way to use it on a Mac. And there is a free trial, and there's a small subscription for it after that, annual subscription of around $74. But it's well worth it if you're struggling to find a way to use MetaTrader on a Mac.